really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In the city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing. Just show me, Chongqing. Won't you show me, Chongqing?
There's a lot going on right here. One, a train just went by. Two, there's a river. Three, there's a skyline. Four, there's a bridge. Not just one bridge, but two bridges, a beautiful orange one. There's a Raffles Hotel right over there. There's somebody dancing up there. That's pretty cool as well. We're gonna walk by that. And then we have all these apartments here, which have these amazing views and windows. It's amazing. That guy's having a great time. So we're gonna check this all out. Chongqing, China, another slice of this beautiful, cool city. One of my favorite cities in China, basically. And let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. We're in somewhere called Beiqu Road, and it kind of follows with this view. So I can kind of tap into it and see the skyline and all kinds of bridges. You'll hear me commenting about all that stuff. You probably already did. And we're gonna get into the narration part next, where you're definitely gonna hear me walk around and talk. And so stay tuned for that, because that's where you can kind of get a better feel outside of the music. The music I created with AI, so I created the lyrics and I put it into another AI program. So let's put up the lyrics here so you can see what it said. And let's just get right into the walk and talk. By the way, this is number 19 of 39. That means I have 20 more videos of Chongqing that I'm gonna upload. And I'm gonna go back again and Chongqing again as soon as I can. So so just like and subscribe and keep following, because I'll have more Chongqing content. Okay, walk and talk narration time. Chongqing, China. Ba 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 ba. Da 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 da. Sounds really cool. We're gonna catch him. So I'm starting out where this trail is at. This trail actually goes 11 kilometers. It's a footpath. It's a mountain trail, it's called, right there. And it goes all along this river, all the way down, 11 kilometers. So we're gonna go up and just kind of see what this street looks like as we meander and explore Chongqing and capture all these views. And the train's probably gonna come by any minute as well. Oh, he's a streamer. So he's actually streaming. really cool. Yeah, check this out. It's so crazy. So we're gonna be walking down this road, and I felt kind of cool just to see the streamer right here, and also just this view and the river walk. Chongqing is just such a beautiful city. You just can't really. So he's like, what he's doing is streaming. Looks really cool. Check out these windows, they got some great views. I really like the streamers. I don't fully understand the streamers because what they do is they tune everybody out. So they're not really interested in interaction, but they're like 100% in public and they're on camera and they got viewers. So there's like no shame about it, you know, they're just just doing their thing, which I love. But then the part I don't understand is like the no interaction part, you know. So if I see a streamer and I try to like engage or interact, I feel like I'm kind of disrupting whatever they're doing. But I would think the interaction part would be the interesting part, to be outside and kind of interact with people and capture it. So I don't know. Nonetheless, we're exploring Chongqing and kind of walking around, giving you an idea. Wow, this place you can get ice cream and overlook the views of the windows right there. This is a train station, a bus stop. Okay, let me see. We got public toilets everywhere here. Just as a general observation, there's a lot of public toilets, which is great for the public, I guess. Those are what the buses look like. Chongqing would take quite a while to really learn it well and to navigate it well. Just a lot going on. There's a lot of different directions I could go here. I kind of want to stay on this road though. But I don't know where this road's going to go, so. And we're also just trying to show you just all the complexities of Chongqing and just kind of the coolness and. So, okay, let me see here. So the trains would go by right here. No trains at the moment. Okay, so that's actually a tourist attraction down that way, like right where that orange bridge is at. There's an area where a lot of tourism goes. But I am interested in that, but I'm actually I filmed it, got like 6 or 7 videos already in that area. Public toilet. So I'm gonna go over here and see what road we're on. And then see if we can stay on a road or if we need to end on a road. But we're on Beiqu Road. (1930s), and it looks like, okay, I kind of want to catch that. I think we only got 8 seconds and we got to get across it before we lose it. I think that might be the end of Beiqu Road though, and I think we're going to be on a different road coming up here, most likely. So I think that the Beiqu Road was that one, because I just did a separate video where I walked along that river, and in that river I saw Beiqu at the beginning of it when I started. So now I think what happened was we're on a different road, and that was probably the end of Beiqu Road. But it's not the end of Chongqing because there's all kinds of cool stuff every direction, everywhere we go. And I'm just kind of giving you a taste of it. You're just kind of looking down at stuff or looking up at stuff. They call it like a three-dimensional city. Yeah, I kind of wanted to go, I think I kind of want to go into the center part, but maybe I am doing that over here too. So this is kind of cool. I was going to turn the camera off, but actually this is just kind of a cool road because we're elevated. We're definitely on a bridge. We got stuff down to the side, but then on this side we got stuff up. You know, so you're looking down because you're high up on a bridge, but you're also looking up because you got tall buildings surrounding you. Okay, anyways, a little bit of the Chongqing experience. So let's just put our camera out the window and see. Oh yeah, okay. So we're gonna just keep on going down, or going up, I mean. It is pretty cool, actually. Got all the motorcycles. It's kind of interesting just to kind of focus on something that you don't really think about focusing on. And then this one actually goes down like that. There's a gate there and everything. And you got tall apartments everywhere in here too. So you got tall apartments that are way down there starting up, and they also go up there. So there's going to be rooftops and all kinds of interesting stuff in every direction in here. And I guess on that note, I guess we'll probably end it. And I'll put up another Chongqing video in the near future. So a little taste of it nonetheless. All the different cool stuff everywhere.